back to our channel. I'm Lucy and we are the Tostovan sisters, and we are back with a new core workout for you. And it's not just any old core routine, we're going to be introducing a light dumbbell, okay? If you don't have a dumbbell, please do not panic. Please do not stop the video. You can do all of the moves completely body weight, but if you have a light dumbbell, please grab one. It's going to be a really great abs workout and we're going to basically feel the burn. Are you ready? Okay guys, so grab your light dumbbell. The first move you won't use it, but all the other four you will. So just pop that down to the side. Your first exercise of the 5 is going to be your inchworm to get that core fired up and get you feeling nice and warm. So I want you to reach up and overhead. 45 seconds of walking all the way out to your plank, hold, and then all the way back in and reach. Nice. Calm down. I love an inchworm, you know. If you struggle to keep your legs straight, then just bring them a little bit wider or opt for a very slight little bend in the knee. Nice. 45 seconds of work, then you get a little rest and we move on to move number 2 and we're bringing in the dumbbell. If you don't have a dumbbell though, don't panic, you can do it without. No excuses guys. Come all the way back and down. 3, 2, and 1. Roll those shoulders. Move number 1 is done. Okay, ready guys, we're going to come down onto our mat. You're going to bring your legs nice and long. You're going to grab hold of your dumbbell and we're going to do a roll up. But you're going to use your dumbbell in the movement. If you don't have one, you just do this completely body weight. So reach your dumbbell up and overhead. You're going to come all the way down. And then you're going to come all the way up. Now mine's only a light dumbbell, so I can keep mine with a straight arm the whole time, okay? But if you feel like you need to bring it to a bend before you come up, no worries. You can do that too. Okay, so you've got lots of options. Or you just do it with straight arms, up and over your head. Roll ups for 45 seconds, and if you're like me, you feel like you wiggle all over your mat. I feel you. Every time. I feel like I inchworm my way to the other side of the room every time. Good, one more. And release. Okay, so if you have wriggled like me, recenter, and we're going to do our boat pose, and you're going to keep your dumbbell with you, okay? So if you're going body weight, bring yourself up and hold. Okay, if you've got your dumbbell, you're going to reach the dumbbell forward and rest it just gently above the knees. It's not resting on, you're holding with those arms. Get a little bit of shoulder work in there. Nice. 45-second boat pose with a weight. A little bit spicy. The further we work into this month, the harder it gets. And guys, as always, you can do the video once, you can do it twice, or maybe 3 times 3. 15 minutes of abs. Burn up. Good. Hold. Lovely. Smashing this. Good job, guys. I'm shaking. Are you shaking? Nice. 3, 2, and 1. Woo! Okay. Pop your dumbbell in the center of your mat. You're going to transition now into a plank position. And what you're going to do is make sure you're pressing through your palms, come out to your toes. You're going to reach for the dumbbell and extend up, okay? So this is your plank with T rotation. Nice. Big reach. And I'm really extending, looking up to my fingertips. And as always, you can do this on your knees, like so. Or you don't use the weight at all, and you reach and you just look up to your fingertips. Nice, we're nearly there with move number 4. Rotating, keeping that core tight. Nice. Big reach. Good job. And rest. Okay, just one more move. It's gonna burn the shoulders. We're gonna stay in that plank for one more 45-second round. Okay, so you're going to come back to that plank, bring your dumbbell to one side of your mat. I'm going to pass the dumbbell behind and behind, okay? So I'm really working my obliques a little bit more. firing up those shoulders and that core. And as always, like I said, drop to knees if you need to. But if you can try and push on your toes, amazing job. If you've got no dumbbell, you'll literally just tap side to side. But if you're going with me and bringing that dumbbell in, it's gonna be tough. Keep going. Nice. I am shaking. Woohoo! Nice, keep going, guys. We're nearly there with this 5th and final move of your core workout. Nice. Push through to the end. Funky tunes getting us going. And done. Woo! Oh my goodness, that was hard work. Well done, guys. Thank you so much for completing this 5-minute core workout with a dumbbell if you had one. Remember, repeat the video if you need to. Give the video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel, and we will see you soon.